Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I've been traveling today. I had to ride about an hour from here and pick up some quail. I was in conversation with Kevin over at Lazy Pond Farm. He's about an hour north of me, and I had to go up that way anyway. And Kevin had some quail, and I had a buck rabbit, and so we did a little bit of swapping. And he looked after me too. He got me some nice looking quail, and they'll be ready to start laying some eggs. And he got me a feeder and a water, and I'll be separating them out. I've got a trio, and the white ones, and then these other ones, I've got a male and female. So I'm gonna be separating them out so the males don't fight. But I've had quail on the farm. I had Bob White, and Kevin's going to be hatching some off, and he said he'd get me a trio of them. And we're looking out for does for each other on rabbits, and we're going to do some, I call it genetic swapping on rabbits. A guy I used to do it with when I was into rabbits a while, and it's been quite a few years ago. He'd call me up and say, I got two females. That meant he wanted me to bring him two females that weren't genetically related to his rabbits, and most of the time we'd get an unrelated buck and try and get them pregnant before we passed them off. And normally there's very few rabbits that if things, you know, if the music and the candles are lit, that they won't get pregnant. So, but I'd carry him pregnant females, and I'd go out there and get pregnant females from him, and just give you some genetic diversity in your rabbits. But we're looking out for does for each other so we can kind of continue that tradition. I really enjoyed it. I sat there about to talk the young guy's ear off. He's a pretty young fellow. I've probably got t-shirts older than him, but he knows his stuff. He taught me quite a few things today about quail. I thought I knew some stuff, but the more I think I know, the more I realize I don't really know nothing at all. And so I'm looking forward to these, and looking forward to those Bob Whites. I love hearing a Bob White, and that's about as relaxing a thing as you can have. But I got these, and I got them fed and watered for now, and I'm fixing to leave them alone. And because it's raining here, that tink, tink, tink is raindrops. So I'm gonna get inside so I don't melt. More likely I'd float, but anyway, thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, and down there in the description, check out Kevin's link. And he's got a lot going on. And oh, funny story with Kevin. He and I got to talking, and he brought up a girl's first name, and for whatever reason, I thought I recognize it, and sure enough I did. Well, Kevin had bought the home place from their people, and I had been there. I said, well, Kevin seemed like me. I remember a center block house. He said, well, actually there is one. That was the grandparents' house where I'd went to. And it is a really long story, but it's kind of funny. You know, there's that 6 degrees of separation thing where, you know, by 6 people you can know anybody in the world. And sometimes I believe that, but it's kind of funny talking with him. I had a real good conversation. I talked with him for about 3 hours, and he probably had to go home and take a nap. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.